Yes, my listeners and my subscribers, good morning, good evening, good night. So this are the taxi man where the police did a come front time and him and tell him say yo him no want him to come front time is what me and say. So this was the first part somebody catch in the man van. You see me, this is when the police back him up beside the two van them or the two vaxi them. And then they are searching man. And also the police deal with him. You see what me say? I push up the man and them thing there. You see me, I search him and I rough him up. So it me show you say any little thing, any little interaction with the police or any little thing on take out on the phone and video. Because if that person never a video from in the van, who do see this? Because them bring the man around here so. When nobody now see and come search him, but pity them they already know say somebody there in the van. A video and a look where I go on. Is what me say. So as we hear me I tell you, so the Jamaica police them deal with people, innocent people. You see me? Yeah man. And if you talk too loud and feel like say you want deal with them now, we are so them deal with you.